Microsoft has started to roll out a new AI feature in Microsoft Teams called Audio Recap. And with this new feature, you can create a spoken summary of your meetings with just a click of a button. It's like getting your own mini podcast version of your meetings. Audio Recap uses the transcript to turn key points into natural speech, so you can listen to it instead of reading it. And I think it's perfect when you miss a meeting or just want a quick refresh as preparation for follow-up meetings. Here's how you can use it. Open your meeting in Teams after it has finished. Go to the Recap tab at the top. Click Audio Recap. An alternative way to access audio recaps is by using the Meet app in Teams. Okay, so let's select the meeting you want to recap. Choose the tone you prefer, like casual, and then click Generate Recap. Teams will create the summary automatically. You can listen to it, pause it, skip it through, or even change the playback speed, just like with a normal podcast.
Hi, Pascal. Today is Friday, October 10th, 2025. We've got one meeting lined up, the Offerings Update Forum.
This session walked through updates for client and endpoint services, a new centralized...
And you can even combine up to 8 meetings in one audio recap. And select a specific topic so you get one podcast-style summary that covers everything you need. And here's another nice detail. Your audio files are stored in OneDrive, so you can easily access them or share them with a colleague if needed.
This audio is generated by AI.
All your previous recaps are listed in the Audio Recaps menu, so you can go back and listen to them later whenever you want. The Audio Recap feature is currently rolling out to users in the public preview and targeted release programs. So if you don't see the Audio Recap function yet, it will probably appear soon. But there are a few limits. It currently works in English only, and you'll need Microsoft Teams Premium or Microsoft 365 Copilot. And that's how you use Audio Recap in Microsoft Teams. If you think this is helpful, please give it a like and share this video with a colleague or friend who always misses meetings. I'm planning to create a more deep dive video on this new feature in Teams where I will compare the audio quality of Audio Recap with Google's NoteBookLM. If you're interested in that comparison, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.